I'm Cynthia and I'm trying to hiccup. All right, well, I have my jalapeno made and it's still hot. It's still fresh from the pan. Oh, I did a pretty good job for a white girl. All right. I don't really want to do this, but I am kind of curious. So it is steaming hot. Can I? You can see the steam, can't you? Maybe, I guess not. Oh, okay. It's very hot. All the seeds are in there. I didn't wimp out and clean up the seeds beforehand. Something is knocking on the outside of my house. I'm not happy about that, but here we go. Wish me luck, because I usually choke. Sometimes I hiccup, but most of the time I choke. And there's nobody here to save me. That's fine. Dying for art. It's what all the cool kids are doing. I have to swallow it so it can go down, right? I don't like this. I can't take another. Everything is on fire and I don't have any milk. My my eyes are watering. Oh gosh. Why no hiccup? All right, I don't know if this. I know milk helps you heal from a burn, but does sour cream? Sour cream? Is that why everybody eats sour cream with hot stuff? Does it like cancel it out? I still have seeds in there. I'm eating the seeds. It's very good. It's delicious. Now I can't take a bite until this goes away. Why can't I take a bite until the burn goes away? Because I don't know what it is. The oils, I'll easily choke if I eat while I'm eating hot stuff. If I try to swallow food while I'm eating hot stuff, I will choke. And oh my god, everything's on fire. Guess what? I think that sour cream was gone off. I don't think that was a very good idea. The sell-by date was December 27th. I feel like throwing up. 2020. Nope. Okay, I feel nauseous. And I think I just ate some bad sour cream. And the badness was masked by the hot jalapeno, and I'm gonna go be sick now. Okay, bye.